Why am I tall? People think that you're my boyfriend. अरे वो अपने सैया के पास जाएंगे, तुमको समझ ही नहीं आ रहा है. Good morning and a very happy Friday. It's a great day ahead. Amazing day. I'm very grateful. And another day, another trip, another travel vlog. Very excited. Touch wood. So right now it's almost. Let me check. It's 4:12. Although I have my flight on 7:45, I should have seen that, but I have booked my cab, so I'll just go. And I'm ready, so I'm going to Goa with my friends. My mom is gonna be here, and everybody's parents are gonna be here while we are traveling in Goa and having our sort of the trip. Okay, this is another kind of thing going on. Are you excited? Are you happy? অবশ্যই সেফ থেকো একদম বলো চলো my cab is here, so I'll board the cab and then I'll see you. Bye. So I am okay. So I'm at the airport right now and I'm very awkward and I'm speaking very softly because there are people, but my friends are not yet here and I'm the first one. So the thing is that my name actually had a wrong, like a minor spelling mistake, okay? And then that of what was there in my government ID proof. And I was scared that they would not let me board to some extent. But then anyway, I'll tell you the story later on because, yeah. We are finally in Goa. We are finally in my honeymoon. It's a group honeymoon. It's a group honeymoon because we are 14 people. So we are finally here at the Dabolim airport. Something, I think this is Dabolim only. It's the airport is very beautiful. Okay, it's very beautiful. And we are here, we are waiting for the car. We are in front of this Feel Goa. I have mispronounced it and said that Feel Goa. No, Real Goa I've said. And anyway, all my friends are here. They're all coming and it's going to be a crazy and a fun trip. It's going to be amazing. And look at them, are already here. Everyone's coming. There's a luggage. My luggage. The weather is pretty pleasant, but okay, wait. So we are finally here. We made it to the Goa. Can you see the crowd? This is crazy crowd. This is crazy crowd. अरे वो अपने सैया के पास जाएंगे, तुमको समझ ही नहीं आ रहा है. ओ यमरा I will keep you. जय माता दी, जय माता दी. हरे कृष्ण. Al Habibi. So finally we made it to Goa. এই মনে হচ্ছে আবার ফ্লাইট করতে যাচ্ছি এয়ারপোর্টের কাছে. So we are here at this beautiful restaurant. It's goes by the name Susegaro, which is inspired by the lifestyle, Goan lifestyle, obviously. Once the owner of this place tells us the story, we'll let you know and I'll show it to you. And it's an amazing place to be in, and I'm sure the food is also amazing. I'll show you around. So beautiful.
a lot of exploitation with the tourists. The boundary of the house extends right to the center of the road where the statue of Dr. Jacques Sequeira is. Dr. Jacques Sequeira is basically the founder of Goa, you can say. During the time there were two freedom fighters, D.B. Bandodkar and him. And D.B. Bandodkar wanted Goa to be a part of Maharashtra, but Dr. Jacques Sequeira sacrificed his seat to be a CM, accommodated him in order to be a separate identity of his.
So this is like second part of so we came from the airport.
Okay.
We ate, we got changed, we fought in the hotel because the seats were not that good. And now we are going to the Agoda Fort. We'll show it to you. And I'm gonna try my best to shoot and to vlog, but yeah. For once. হতে পারছে না.
Very exhausted, but yet very excited.
People think that you're my boyfriend.
Partially true. My best friend, sorry. Paraphrasing.
तो কথাটা হচ্ছে এটা যে vlog हो नहीं पा रहा है क्योंकि हम लोग बहुत tired हैं, सोए नहीं हैं. I think it's more than 24 hours.
More than.
More than 24 hours. We are right now in Para Road and we're going to click some pictures. We are a little late, but that's fine because we went to Agonda Fort and then from there we went to. Then we didn't go anywhere. We just ate and we got late. So we are here. So we are done with our the photography session. This is the famous Para Road, the famous Dear Zindagi Road that we all talk about. But it's so overhyped. There's constantly cars and bikes coming in. And we are barely able to click pictures. So, yes. I'll show you how it looks from that side. See, there are like mountains. Like it looks like a mountain, but it's not a mountain. It's like peaceful.
Vlogging not allowed. Get out.
Good morning. This is day 2. We are going to Basilica of Bom Jesus. This is a very half few of my friends are here, so we are going to Basilica of Bom Jesus. And the vlog is very beautifully done because we are all busy enjoying, and I'm gonna try and put as many clips as possible. But yeah. So we are heading towards Basilica of Bom Jesus, and over there so we are here. Where?
Hi guys. We are in Basilica Church.
Basilica
One of the
Bom
must
Jesus.
visit
Yeah, places in Goa. Anyway, so we are here. This is one of the prettiest places to
Heritage
be in
of
Goa.
history.
And exactly, shut up. And exactly opposite to this, it's a cathedral over there.
That is one of the must.
What he's trying to see, this is this monkey man. Or a photo tulche. So wow, no, not wow. I mean, we are going to say cathedral right now. I know. And We were there in Basilica of Bom Jesus that you can see over there, and I would request everyone to visit Basilica of Bom Jesus at least once if you're in Goa, because it's a different feeling. I got goosebumps. I'm sure you all know the story, people who are in Goa, and people who are not, I would just look it up, and it's a beautiful place to be in. And it's also very hot. Cheers to our guava chili. गौर से देखिए इन तीनों लोगों को, शर्म लाज कुल है. हेलो, क्या So we are here at the fish. একটা যখনই এদিকে ক্যামেরা ঘোরাচ্ছে ফালতু একটা কথা বলে দিচ্ছিস. So we are here for lunch. We are done with lunch at the Fisherman's Wharf. We are heading towards south. Of course, I did not vlog the entire north because अरे यार. Anyway, after several takes, so I was it's a video. So it was like a brunch, but yeah, and now we're heading towards north. We'll first go to Cabo de Rama. I'll try and vlog as much as I can, but since this is a friends trip, so it's very difficult to constantly pick up your camera and vlog. But other than that, not last night we went to Anjuna and that's it. It's a very nice place, nice food, a little expensive if you're going to select your own fishes, but that's okay. Borok. So we are here at the Maron Sea View Resort, and right now we have just checked in. It's 6 almost, and this is in the south. It's a very, very beautiful property. It's like very, very, very nice. I'll show you around, but once let me just check in and I'll see you. I'm going to show you guys my room. This is, you open, step inside. I'm not stepping inside because I have dirty feet, but yeah. So as you can see, I've gotten ready, worn this beautiful dress, and now there's no plan. We were supposed to go to a party, but everybody is really, really tired and we just want to chill, relax, and plus the property is so nice. Like I don't even have to walk 2 minutes to go to the beach. Okay, so it's that nice. And so far so good. It's amazing. The washroom is clean, but yes, there's a little bit of insects, but that's fine. I think it's because of this entire setup that has been done. But other than that, comfortable stay, good place, good ambience. Let's see, let's try the food and I'll show it to you. Now I'm just going to go to the shack, enjoy, chill and relax, and I'm going to take you guys along.
হয়ে যাবে, গ্যাস হয়ে যাবে, আলসার হয়ে যাবে।
আর এটা ওয়াটারপ্রুফ
পরে খাবো, আমি তো আমারটাই খাবো।
So we are here at the beach and we are taking our sun bath and it's really nice. All my friends are there and I'm going to take a swim and it's an amazing trip, amazing place to be in. And now I understand why everybody wants to be in South Goa and not in North Goa. So yeah. So look at my condition right now. Also this braid that I've done. If I'm not wrong, I think I am 10 shades darker, or I have gotten 10 shades darker. যাবি না?
যাচ্ছি, সবাই আসো।
এসে গেছে সবাই।
ওয়াশরুমে বল, যদি ফ্রেশ হতে গেল। আরে আমরা তো রেডি।
There are my friends here, and here I think the entire hotel is booked because of us. The entire villas. This is ours, this is ours, this is ours, that is ours, then that is also ours. How are you feeling? Shaunik, how are you feeling? এদিকে দেখ, এদিকে দেখ।
थोड़ा साइड में ऐसा ना
ভিডিও অন হয়ে গেছে, কিছু একটা করে ফেল।
YouTube, welcome to my vlog. This is a very moving car that we are in. You can see the road that we are on. We are going to Kola Beach right now for the kayaking. These are my friends. We have been divided by 5-5. 4 people have excluded themselves, but that's absolutely fine. And we are moving. Another sexy lady with almost blinding light kind of a sunglass. And
Prada, my dear.
that is not Prada, that is Brada. Prada का सौतेला भाई जो न्यू मार्केट में बिकता है.
Hey.
So we are going. It's a very adventurous journey and सब कुछ ही मूव हो रहा है. हम भी जिंदा लौटेंगे या नहीं ये समझ में नहीं आ रहा है हमें. ठीक है, चलिए आपको लेके चलते हैं.
मांगता है इधर और छोटा वाला गाड़ी लेके आया ना, वो अच्छा नहीं लगता है। थार अच्छा है मैडम।
कार है तो इनके पास है, मैडम के पास।
हाँ, अगले टाइम थार लेके आएगी मैडम।
हाँ।
मैं चलाती हूँ थार.
हाँ वही ना, अगले टाइम थार लेके आओ, डायरेक्ट इधर आने को मिलेगा।
मैं तो थार लेके आ जाऊंगी लेकिन थार ही बचेगा, मैं नहीं.
अरे बाप रे।
So we are here to kayak, as you can see. I'll quickly show you where the Kola Beach. It's one of probably the prettiest way to do. This is where we are doing. That's our boat. সবাই এদিকে এসো. জল ঢুকে যাচ্ছে. সৈকত. কিরে বল কিছু কথা, কেমন লাগছে কায়াকিং করে? ওখানটায় যাচ্ছে, একটা পিকচার তুলে দাও তো আমাদের.
Okay,